kalobid, naputukan tayo ng a day in my life as a seaman. Nagtrabaho sa barko. Put to this video dong. So ngayon mga kalobid, titira tayo dito. Yan, sa lifeboat natin, yung beam niya. Kasi maraming kalawang. So kasama ko si DJ Jeff. Let's go, tingnan yung trabaho mga kalobid. Agad lahat mga kalobid, kailangan natin mag-practice. So siyempre, mga kalobid, strong point. Kaya ng GCC mga lupit kasi makapal. Meron tayong kung hindi kaya ito GCC.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yan ang natira natin mga kalupit. Hirap. Ayan na mga kalupit. Ayan. Mahaba kasi mga kalupit. Kailangan safety tayo magtrabaho dito. So ayun, tapos na tayo doon mga kalupit. Dito naman tayo sa bila. So sa starboard left po tayo.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Yo, yo, yo! Dito na tayo mga kalupit. Lifeboat pa rin tayo. Let's go!
Or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by.
Putukan tayo ng hose. Ay, repair na naman natin to. Putukan kasi sobrang lamig. Ayan o. Katingin natin dito. Ayan mga kalubid, no? Putukan tayo ng hose. Ayan, nag-leaking. So puputulan natin dito. Ayan dito. Gamit itong nagaring bakal. Kasi di kaya ng kutsilyo mga kalubid kasi sobrang tigas. Tigas na ito dahil sa lamig. Gamit tayo ng lagaring bakal. Putol. Kasi may leak. Ito, ipasok lang natin yung clipper dito. Tapos ipasok mo lang dito sa connection ng chisel o sa kabras. Yan ang kasimple mga kalubid.
That energy, even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Tapos ng kabilang side mga kalubid, dito tayo. Bila na naman.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if